Are you experiencing issues with your Viofo A119 V3 dashcam not displaying speed data? You're not alone. Many users encounter this problem right out of the box. This common issue means the GPS fails to accurately show your speed on video recordings, appearing as no data or incorrect readings. The problem affects the quality of your dashcam footage for insurance claims and can disable speed-based safety alerts. The root cause stems from internal antenna limitations that weaken GPS signal reception. This sets the stage for understanding why the mount GPS fix is needed to resolve these issues. The Viofo A119 V3 relies on a Star i4 GPS chip to capture essential speed and location data for video overlays. However, the GPS antenna is placed internally within the dashcam housing, which creates significant limitations. This internal design makes the antenna susceptible to signal interference from various sources in your vehicle. Think of it like trying to get a clear radio signal in a basement. The internal antenna design is the primary culprit behind the speed data problems due to these obstructions. The mount GPS fix involves repositioning the GPS antenna from its default internal location to an external mount. This moves the antenna outside the dashcam housing and closer to the windshield. By giving the antenna a clearer line of sight to the sky and GPS satellites, the signal strength improves significantly. This repositioning allows accurate tracking of speed data by improving GPS reception. After mounting the GPS antenna externally, the next step is configuring the dashcam software. Start by accessing the Settings menu on your Viofo A119 V3 dashcam. In the Settings menu, locate the GPS option. By default, it may be turned off. Enable GPS by toggling this setting to on. This allows the dashcam to receive and process GPS signals for speed data overlays. Once GPS is enabled in the dashcam settings, you may need to calibrate it for optimal accuracy. Use the Viofo app or desktop software to perform calibration. Connect your dashcam to the Viofo app on your phone or computer. The calibration process involves driving in a straight line at a constant speed to allow the system to sync with GPS satellites and fine-tune speed accuracy. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app, which typically show a calibration view with your road ahead. Drive steadily and let the software adjust the GPS parameters. This ensures accurate speed data in your recordings. Real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of the mount GPS fix across different scenarios. A Seattle user reported zero speed data on their Viofo A119 V3. After implementing the external mount fix, accuracy improved to within 1 to 2 miles per hour of their vehicle's odometer. This success was shared on Dashcam Talk forums, with many users confirming similar results. In a highway test drive demonstration, speed errors dropped from up to 10 miles per hour to less than 1 miles per hour after repositioning the GPS antenna externally. This was shown in a popular YouTube tutorial, highlighting the fix's effectiveness in real driving conditions. A UK driver resolved GPS signal loss during rainy conditions by using the external mount fix. This addressed water interference on the internal antenna, leading to reliable speed data even in adverse weather. The fix inspired community-developed DIY kits. These success stories from Seattle, highway tests, and UK drivers highlight the mount GPS fix's effectiveness in resolving speed data issues across various scenarios. Even after implementing the mount GPS fix, you might still encounter issues. This section covers common problems and their solutions to help you maximize the effectiveness of the fix. One common issue is a weak GPS signal even after mounting externally. This is often caused by radio frequency interference from nearby electronics. The solution is to apply antenna shielding around the GPS module to block RF interference. This creates a protective barrier that improves signal strength. Another common problem is incorrect antenna orientation. The GPS antenna must be positioned facing skyward to receive satellite signals effectively. The solution is to position the antenna correctly, oriented upward toward the sky, to ensure clear line of sight to GPS satellites. Loose or damaged cable connections can also cause GPS issues. Poor connections interrupt the signal path between the antenna and the dashcam. The solution is to ensure all cable connections are secure and intact. Check for proper seating and replace any damaged cables. By systematically troubleshooting these common issues, RF shielding, proper orientation and secure connections, you can maximize the effectiveness of the Mount GPS fix and ensure reliable GPS performance in your Viofo A119 V3 dashcam. The future of dashcam GPS technology looks promising with emerging dual-frequency GPS using L1 and L5 bands for improved signal reception in urban environments. AI-enhanced dashcams will rely on dependable GPS modules to support advanced features like automated incident reporting and real-time speed alerts. Future software updates could automatically detect and adjust for GPS mounting problems, reducing the need for manual fixes. Expect integrated 5G connectivity and cellular-assisted GPS in future models to supplement satellite data and reduce reliance on standalone GPS systems. These advancements will result in more accurate and reliable speed data, enhancing the overall performance of dashcam technology.